everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we are bouncing around, as you can see, because I was so enthusiastic about this video that I hit the record button a little too hard and my phone went, "Wah!" So that's why you're bouncing around a little bit. Not too much coffee yet. I cannot wait to show you what is in this box. I did do a quick little preview. This is a hot item that just came to Craftibly. Why am I calling it an accessory? Well, let's open it up and let's see what's in it, and then you guys will know. Only a certain amount were purchased, so you may want to get over and order it super, super fast. I'm hoping they get more. Because I have a feeling they are going to sell out, and I'm being too lazy and not using and finding and uncovering my slasher, whatever you call it, my little X-Acto crafting knife. Oh, there it is. While I'm talking to you guys, it pops out. Whoopsie. So excited. Pops out and says, "Use me, use me." Okay. Let's make sure. I love that they have their own tape. Is that not great? If I package things, I'd be like, hey, give me my own tape too. Okay, here we go. I'm having some technical difficulties with... Is it technical difficulties if it's cardboard? Because cardboard is not technical. Yet the wheel could be technical because it makes your life easier. Right? Oh my goodness. You can do it, Jennifer. You can do it. I have faith in you. I have faith. Oh my goodness. It's like a math problem. Oh, guys. Okay. You guys are probably yelling at me. Use the other thing. Pull the other place. We're just going to cut every... Oh, that's going to show you my address. And then you guys are going to bring me all the diamond paintings, right? Because you know my address. All things good. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Woo-hoo. Okay. So this is a colorful... What is it? What is it? Coffee mug! You guys, now you know why I call this an accessory. Look at this. And green. Oh! A little close. Let's back you up, okay? Just a second. We're going to back you up. Back you up. This home video style, people. Look at this. Craftibly coffee mug. And why is this an accessory? Because I always have a mug of coffee next to me, and this comes in green and blue. Green's my favorite color, but I may have to purchase the blue one because you know me, I'm a collector. Gotta have one of everything. But please run over to Craftibly, and while you're there, check out... They're starting to get all their renderings of all the pre-orders. They are phenomenal. And what is a rendering? A rendering is a photo that shows you what your diamond painting is going to look like as a diamond painting. So you're going to have the picture, but then if you flip over, you're going to see, oh, that's what it's going to look like as a diamond painting with all the little dots. And I love renderings because it shows you, am I going to get the detail that I'm looking for with the image, with the picture? And that's where some companies out there, they show you the picture, you're like, oh, that's what I'm going to get. And then you purchase it and you're like, this is a big blob on a sheet of paper. So Craftibly has taken it up a step. They're showing the renderings. They're all coming back. They're uploading them onto the site. Pre-orders are hot and ready. Please go check them out. You can get 15% off if you click on the link or use DP Addiction Adventures. No spaces. Absolutely wonderful, but I can't wait to use this coffee mug. I love swag. And so, yeah, so check them out. Get your own coffee mug. support a small business. This couple, Michael and Amy, I've just fallen in love with you. So fantastic. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. I'm going to go wash this out right now and have my second cup of coffee in it. So see you next time.